Hey guys, it's ARIBA and I'm back today with a really exciting review and tutorial. So I used to use this back in the day when I was hairdressing and I haven't used it in like 6 or 7 years. Loreal Professional's a brand new Steampod 3.0. It actually straightens your hair using steam. So it's like kind of a steamer, like you steam your clothes, you can steam your hair and it completely smooths your hair out straight. This machine used to be huge when I used to use it in the salon. It used to be like a big machine with a tank and it used to sit on like my hairdressing station and I would use it on my clients, and I could never imagine like it being this like slim and being able to use it so comfortably at home. So I'm really excited to use this again after all these years. So we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna try it out together. We're gonna just go ahead and slide it out, and this is what it looks like. So those of you guys that aren't familiar with steam styling, the reason it's like so beneficial for your hair is that it actually is 78% less damaging on your hair than the traditional flat iron. And then we also have this bottle, which I'm assuming we're gonna fill our machine with water. Oh my god, this machine is so different than what I remember, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and just take all the wrapping off, and this is what the machine looks like. So right in here, we have the tank. I'm guessing you just kind of squeeze it and it pops right off like so. All right, so I filled the little bottle that comes inside with water, and now we're gonna fill the tank. So I'm gonna start by removing this rubber flap, and I'm just gonna slide it down, and I'm gonna take my bottle filled with water and I'm just gonna squeeze it into this tank until it fills up, and we can quickly snap it back into place into the device. So I just shampooed and conditioned my hair as usual, so it's soaking wet under here. So we have two options for our pre-styling creams here. We have our Loreal Professional Steam Activated Milk and Cream. So the milk is best for finer hair, and we know my hair is not fine, so we're gonna stick to the Steam Activated Cream. It's supposed to be a little bit more dense, I'm assuming, for thicker hair. And I'm gonna be pretty generous with it because my hair is so thick. And I'm gonna apply it mids to ends. And because this is a cream-based product, it should help me detangle my hair. And it does provide thermal protection up to 210 degrees Celsius. And it's supposed to leave me with like a super velvety, shiny finish, which I'm looking forward to. All right, so now my hair is completely detangled. And before we steam style our hair, you basically want to pre-dry your hair. So I'm just going to take the blow dryer and dry my hair. So just like a flat iron, you would use the Steampot on dry hair. And they're basically claiming to tame this crazy hair of mine with one pass. So we're going to test that out today and see if we can get this nice and smooth with just one pass. So we're gonna start just like we do any other time, and we're just gonna start from the bottom and take out sections and just kind of work our way up. So it comes with this extra long cord, which every hairdresser in the world probably appreciates because when we're working in the chair, we always need the cords to go like every which way when we're rotating our clients around. And this one actually rotates, which is really awesome. And it also comes with these teeth on the side. It's pretty much a built-in comb. So while it's smoothing your hair out, it's basically combing it as well, which is really good because it helps to distribute the heat evenly when it has a built-in comb like that. And I love that the water tank is built in. From what I recall, don't quote me on this, I think the one that I used in the salon had a separate water tank. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it on, and we have 3 settings to choose from. We have 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 390, or 410 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna blast it on high because my hair usually needs that. And as soon as the light stops blinking, that means that it's warm enough. So we're actually going to test out something called their one pass challenge. And they're basically claiming that they can smooth this crazy frizzy hair of mine in one pass. So we're just going to go ahead and get started, and we're going to test that out right now. And we're going to start at the top. And we're just going to slowly move it down. And you can hear it steaming, just like you're steaming your clothes, as it's making its way down the hair shaft. Not bad. All right, well, That was one pass. That's actually gorgeous. I want to actually curl my hair using it, so I'm just gonna go in at the roots and I'm gonna twist it while I work it all the way down the hair shaft to see if I can get some curls. Ooh, that's really, really pretty and soft. Okay, that's what I want to create in my hair today. I created that curl on like a straight piece. Now I want to see if I can create that curl just as smooth on a piece that hasn't been smoothed out yet. We're gonna start at the top and I'm gonna actually curl back and then just grab this hair, the tail end of it, and then just kind of drag it down slowly. And let's see if it gives me a shiny curl on hair that hasn't been smoothed out yet. Oh my gosh! That actually looks even better than this side. Oh wow. All right guys, so I just curled all these sections and so far so good. It's really, really easy to use. So now we're just gonna take down a new section and we're gonna push the styled hair back and we're gonna keep the unstyled hair forward so we can just kind of work on it nice and clear. So what I'm finding with the curls so far is it's best to completely take all the tangles out on each section before you feed it through the Steampod. And it glides through a lot smoother and like it creates like a seamless kind of curl if you just take your tangles out first. And twist it all the way around, hold the tail end and then just slowly glide it down. And you should only need to do like one pass, so take your time, don't rush it too much and let the machine do its thing. So far I'm actually really impressed with how quickly this is styling my hair. It's moving along really, really fast and it's kind of like a no fuss kind of situation right now. I'm just kind of rotating it all the way down. Look at that. How beautiful. So elegant. All right, I'm loving how voluminous and shiny and light these curls are turning out so far. So I'm gonna actually just push them back and take down a new section. I'm gonna clamp it right at the root, give it a full twist, and then grab the ends, and then just kind of rotate it. So pretty. So the L'Oreal Professional Steampod does claim to style and smooth my hair out 2 times faster than the traditional flat iron. And so far, I'm not gonna lie, I do feel like it's going really, really fast compared to when I'm flat ironing or curling my hair. This is so easy. Like, hello. Y'all, this is dope. That curl. Okay, I'm gonna keep moving. So if you keep your sections like kind of consistently around the 1 inch mark, it's like flying. And I mean, I'm flying through this. And voila, nice. So you know when you're steaming your clothes, you find that the fibers on the clothes stay nice and like kind of plush and plump. And when you iron your clothes, they get kind of flattened. That's kind of what I'm experiencing right now with my hair fibers. I feel like they're staying plump and light and airy, almost like I've blow dried it or something, even though the curls are a lot more defined than they are when I blow dry my hair. So this is how it's looking so far. I'm not gonna mess with these curls, but they do feel really solid. They don't feel like weak curls. They feel like they're really in there. So I have a feeling these are gonna last me quite a while. So now I'm just gonna quickly take down the last section. I'm gonna split my hair in half. I'm just gonna kind of take my bangs out. So again, our styled hair stays back and our non-styled hair stays forward, and we're just gonna quickly take out all of these tangles. This is so easy and fast, y'all. I can't get over it. Like, it is literally just gliding through. And you know what I'm noticing that's like really, really awesome? You know when you're like curling your hair or flat ironing your hair, you get that smell that your hair is burning? Because it's steaming my hair, I'm not getting that smell. It's literally just like, I feel like I'm not even damaging my hair at all. It feels really like healthy and shiny, and like it's a very positive experience. I'm very much impressed so far. Okay, so I'm gonna leave these bangs out and we're gonna do those at the end. I'll show you guys how I style those. But first I'm gonna quickly finish off the other side, and once that's done, we can do our final touches on our bangs. Okay, so we're gonna grab these bangs and I'm gonna go in right at the root, and then I'm just gonna curve it towards my face, like that. Hi. And then I'm just gonna let it chill out for a second. And voila. Oh my God. All right, so for our final touches, to kind of open up our curls and give it its like finishing look, we're gonna go in with the L'Oreal Paris Steampod Concentrated Serum. And I'm gonna go in with just like maybe 1 pump, or maybe 1.5 because I have thick hair. And anytime you're applying like serum or oil in your hair, you want to make sure you rub it away in your hands first, just so that it's distributed evenly and you don't end up with like a clump of oil or serum in one area. So this is going to close up our cuticles. It's going to give us a really nice shiny finishing touch, and it's going to help me kind of break apart all of these curls and give it more of like a natural kind of finish. How glam does this look, guys? I'm like really, really happy with the way this turned out. It looks so glam and effortless, and just like, it's such a vibe. As always, I will link all of the products that I used in this tutorial down below in my description. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me some love, and any questions that you have in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!